Cheesy ham and corn bites. They're a fantastic lunchbox filler and they're also gluten-free. Essentially, they're a frittata. My nieces absolutely love them. They always ask me to make them, so I thought I'd make them for you too. You simply need some corn. This is just corn from a can that I've drained and rinsed, about 400 grams. We're going to pop that into a food processor. And you can leave it quite chunky, but I like to pulse it 3 or 4 times just to extract some of the milkiness that comes out of the corn to give us an extra creamy finish. The creaminess also helps bind the whole frittata together. So we'll just pulse that a few times. Okay. That's what we're after. Love the smell of sweet corn. Now for the eggs. You'll need 6 eggs for this recipe. I like to crack them into the bowl first. So 6 full eggs. And I've used corn for this recipe, but by all means, you can change it up. I've used leftover vegetables as the base of this. So let's say you've got leftover roasted carrots and sweet potato. You could use them, just chop them up until they're about the same texture as the corn. I'll season these eggs, just a small pinch of salt, not too much because we are adding cheese and the ham. Some freshly cracked pepper, a pinch of nutmeg, and we'll give that a whisk. I like to add cream to my mixture here because if you don't, they can tend to be rubbery. So the cream gives them a lovely finish. Great. It's looking good. I'll pour this in with our corn. And a few more ingredients, some cheese, a generous handful of cheddar cheese, and I'll reserve just a little for the top later on. And some ham. I'm using double smoked ham. You could keep this 100% vegetarian and leave the ham out. Totally up to you and what your family like. And we'll just roughly chop this because I am going to blend it again. It'll chop again. So just run your knife through it once. Sprinkle it in. Now just using a spatula, scrape down the sides so everything binds nicely. And just using the pulse button again, we're just going to combine it. Done. Our mixture is ready to go. Now you can pour it in here, but it can be a little sloppy. So my little trick is to get yourself a large jug, just like this one. I'll take the blade out and I'll pour the mixture into the jug. And then this way, there'll be no drips at all. It's easy to portion out our mixture. Now these go into the oven, 150 degrees, so quite a low oven. We're gonna cook these for about 25 minutes. I like low and slow because it just allows the eggs to cook slowly, leaving us with not a dry muffin, but a really luscious one. A little ham and corn bites come out of the oven, and do let them cool down before you take them out of the tin, and just carefully tease them out and pop them on a plate. I like to have these warm, but they are fantastic to have at room temperature or even cold. Oh, they smell good. I'm gonna put 3 on the plate. In fact, I'm not even going to wait. I want to show you inside of this and have a taste. Look at that. Just delicious. A little taste. These are super tasty, and whether you're a big kid or a little kid, you're gonna love them.